How's it going, everyone? It is Reverse Traded King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today, I cannot resist talking about ticker CISS. This one has literally took an absolute beat down. I know it's on a lot of radars, and I know the news is, the Nasdaq delisting and all that. I just read up on a little bit of things, but let me talk about this thing because I think we have a freaking gold mine of a play here that could go up massive. And I just want to just kind of reiterate some things. And also, before I get into the video, I'm going to discuss the system. If you guys do like this system and you want to get the best alerts in the market, please join the Discord. It is only $6 a month, and you'll get my exact trade alerts that look just like this. We got plays already running up big, and you won't regret it. But before I get into that, let me show you the system. And for all the people who are subscribers, kind of already see this, but this is going to be for the new members watching. Do keep in mind, we have 3 bands. They are not absolute buy zones, but we look for at least price to be there, right? And I'm going to show you everything I'm looking for. So I'm at the daily candle, and I'm going to show you where this has worked here. So when price hits the lower band, there's a potential buy area. And that's when the bulls really start stepping in, and we can get a nice correction, right? And then the middle band is where price has to go back to. I'm going to say that again. It has to go back to that middle band, and I have a time frame of where it usually does that. And then the upper band is your sell zone, and you just never buy there, right? So like right in here, obviously this one's kind of newer. We see this a lot where they come up here and then it just goes straight down, right? It's kind of annoying. I'd never trade based on these when they're just released, right? So now, finally, we've been going up and down. As you can see, we're always hitting this middle band. We've just been, always hitting it. And then right in here, we left the middle band, and then we make to the green band. This right here was the first, kind of buy, and then we get a nice correction here, making massive gains right in here. And this is all the correction you need, because you don't have to have it touch the middle band, because right here we touched the band so recently that it's most likely not going to touch it right away, especially when you see a big fallout. And also, what I do see a lot of people posting is there is a gap right here, right? A lot of people are like, it has to fill. These do not have to fill. You see this gap right here? A lot of people feel like this is a nice gap right in here. I'm going to keep buying till it fills that gap. Do not listen to that. I've seen plenty of times, especially penny stocks, that do not fill these gaps. And if you're buying way down here, then they're going to be like, well, there's a gap right in here now. This little gap here. That is not true, right? What you want to do is use this system. It is very, very accurate. Right in here, touch the bottom band, we get a nice bounce. Right in here, we are well below it due to, the news we have here. So it is very, very risky play. When you play these penny type of stocks, you do not put massive money in your, if your account, you put about 5% of your account in these things, because when they get to this extreme of 2 cents, it is very, just very risky. Right in here, not, it's risky, but you can get a nice correction. Do I think we get a nice correction here? Absolutely. And the reason why I do is because, one, I have time frames of when the bounce should happen. Price has to hit the middle band. As long as this stays, it's going to get delisted, and there's a lot of freaking unknowns, right? So, and no system or technical analysis can account for super, super, super bad news that can happen and take it out of the market, and then you're like, okay, whatever. But that's why I say always play small in pennies, right? What we have here is a touch at 117. We didn't have a touch for a very long time. And when I look at the things, I look for a long gap of no touches, plus right in here, a touch of the bottom band, or in this case, below the bottom band. I do see a nice correction here, is what I'm saying. And since this is a penny stock, they kind of do their own thing. A lot of big cap stocks work beautiful, but since, like I said, there's a lot of unknowns. I do see a nice correction. If you're looking for, man, It's like insane how much profit target we have. It is actually insane. This could be literally, these are one of the type of plays that it's all zero or massive gain. Like if you had $100,000 account, and I definitely wouldn't put all of it in, $5,000, throw it at it. You could easily make 100% on this game, is what I'm saying. Or, you could lose. But that's just part of trading, right? When you get higher risk stocks, there's bigger rewards, but we all know it's a two-edged sword. You could lose a lot too. But at least in this system, you're not buying all these random areas. I knew a lot of people that are buying these areas right in here. Right in here, someone mentioned, I was like, yeah, this is a nice buy area. It goes up a little, makes massive gains, and you don't touch it again, right? Till it's back in these buy areas. And it's just never been there, and now we have a buy area. So the people who bought this way before, they're never getting out of this back hold. The people who thought this was going to fill the gap, it's just not going to happen. People were buying this thing forever, and it's just sad. But with this system, you look for the buy areas, you look for the gaps, because price has to fill it. And in this case, it's going to be kind of hard, because I don't know what kind of news, what we're here. We got this delist determination here. So I've never been into a delist stock, because I don't like playing them. They are kind of risky, but I do think with a small amount of money, there is a lot of upside for sure in this, because there's a lot of fear. Usually when there's a lot of fear, you get the highest rewards, right? Bigger risk, but higher rewards. You just got to remember that. So this is stock CISS. But definitely see a buy zone. For all the penny lovers, this is a good one, just to really get a nice flip for sure. Even the lowest gain you can get at the lower band here at 0.366. That's a nice little gain there, right? But I do see, so probably like right in here, I do see a nice little upside here before that notification list. And I did see right in here, it says announced as receipt a letter from NASDAQ noted the company has a closing bid. Yeah, if it's under 10 cents for less than 10, they can get that. But I've seen a lot had that. This is big reaction to that, and has determined to delist the common stock from NASDAQ on March through March 14th, right? So the letter further provides that the company has until March 22nd to appeal. So it's one of those all or nothing kind of plays. It could really be like massive gains, but between that time frame, I do think there's a rally, and there could be an opportunity, especially with these customized settings of extremely oversold if it hits this, and due to the fact that we haven't hit the middle band for a very long time. 1 month to 2 months is really long. This is going on 2 months, so I can see a nice rally, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how the system works. Honestly, this system works freaking amazing. Over 95% win ratio on big cap stocks. It has a wonderful rating, and I've been doing this for over 6 years, consistently make money month after month. So that tells you about it. I have over 1,000 members in the Discord, and what I wanted to show you is I do have a premium Discord that you guys can join, and it's only $6 a month, and I look for trades just like this. Obviously, I'm not going to alert this one due to the fact that it is one of the higher risk categories. This is the alert rate in here, and you can make massive money from 11 cents all the way up to 18 cents. This one, put a smaller amount of money, see if it goes. But I'm just going to keep an eye on it. I wanted to make a video for all the people watching this. Watch it, wait till, it's March 16th. Wait till like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See what this does. I'm going to keep an eye on, but I guarantee you this thing's going to have a nice little rally. That's why I wanted to make this video, because the system does work, and just want you guys know it's like it is a very confident system, and once you learn everything, you're going to love it. So when you go in, I'm going to put the link down below into the YouTube comments and in the description to join the premium Discord. And when you click on that link, it'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. It doesn't mean you're subscribed or you're going to get the alerts in the system. What you want to do is you want to head on over to the subscriptions tab right in here and hit premium chat. Once you hit that, it will tell you to opt in to subscribe. Only $6 a month if you do it on a computer. It is slightly cheaper on the computer because it avoids the iOS fees. And what you get is my exact trade alerts that are already running. IRBT we bought last Thursday at these. I give you my exact entries and exits, so it's very transparent. I have nothing to hide. Very confident in the system, and we're already up a good bit. And then some other alerts here. But it works really well, over 95%, and you also get some education material on how to effectively use this strategy more in depth so you can use it however you want and be more confident. I talk about time distance, options, and then how to set up your indicators like this, where you can get these waves of corrections right in here, and then this one correcting right in, it's going to correct, right? So that's what you want to see, right? But yeah, obviously it works better on bigger cap stocks, as penny stocks can have news just like this that and it just like makes it go down. You just can't control that, right? But you can control what this right here was not a buy zone. None of this was a buy zone, so none of my followers, if you're doing the system, would get caught into this. You would be buying it just now once you see this, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. And then also, if you guys want to give it a like, subscribe, comment, for the people that are watching it, I'm very accurate at catching these bottoms and very precise. So if you give those any type of engagement, it helps the algorithm on YouTube, share it to other retail traders, and it'll spread the word across. And I know a lot of people's eyes are on CISS because it just made a massive move down. So I know a lot of people are looking at like, is this a nice area? Am I just blindly buying? No, this is not a blind buy for sure. This is definitely a buying zone according to my system. And I do see a nice rally. So I just want to give my input on that. And hope you guys liked the video. If you do, join the premium Discord. And we got a lot of banger trades to alert. And I'll see you there.